They're in the gate. And they're off. It's Leamington over at the rail. From the outside, Criticism, and then between those two, it's Dynaforce. They're followed by Queen of Hearts is on the outside, moving for the turn. Then Pure Clan. That one's followed by Money Can't Buy Me Love. It's a good break back to Beauty O'Gwain, who trails the field. Beauty O'Gwain 6 lengths off the pack as they run into the clubhouse turn. So Leamington will dictate the pace here over the soft-going Criticism on the outside, and Dynaforce Kenta Sormo has guided her over to the rail, and she's under a tight hold in the opening stages here. Then Queen of Hearts, Pure Clan, and it's 2 lengths back to Money Can't Buy Me Love, who's allowed to gallop along about 6 lengths from front-running Leamington. It's a break of about another 7 back to Beauty O'Gwain as the field starts their long run down the backstretch here. So they just meandered through the opening quarter mile in 26 4/5 seconds. Leamington continues to lead the way. Criticism still second on the outside. Queen of Hearts up and on this moderate pace is running along in third. And Dynaforce continues a crowd-saving journey in fourth. Pure Clan has been covered up the whole way. Fifth with 5 furlongs to go. And then it's Money Can't Buy Me Love a long way back to Beauty O'Gwain. 53 4 over the boggy going here at Belmont. Into the far turn. Leamington, Criticism 1-2. Javier Castellano has a good hold of Criticism. Doesn't want to make that move yet. Queen of Hearts third on the outside. Dynaforce is being nudged along toward the way. Here comes Money Can't Buy Me Love now. And Jamie Spencer lets her roll. They're moving on the far outside in tandem with Pure Clan. Coming to the top of the stretch. Leamington narrowly. Criticism now makes that move as they hit the top of the stretch. Pure Clan is there. On the far outside, Money Can't Buy Me Love. Dynaforce down toward the fence. There's 1 furlong to go now. And Criticism has taken the lead. And Pure Clan's running at her with a furlong to go. Criticism trying to hold off the oncoming Pure Clan. And Pure Clan overpowers Criticism, a 16th out. Pure Clan, well, it was raining here at Belmont Park, and Pure Clan reigns in the Flower Bowl, defeating Criticism by 2 lengths. Then farther back was Queen of Hearts, who was third.